Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to cover about the printing the square patterns with the different alphabet symbols in a sequence. So let's see how what I meant is that when we give the input size as 3, the output should be like the first record should be A, and the next one should be displayed by as B, and the next one should be displayed as C. So this is how the output should be printed. Let's create a pattern for that using a Python programming language. So here the first record, what I'm doing is in line number 3, I'm going to take the size of the square by and converting it to integer value and storing that in the variable n. For that, before diving into actual pattern, so one thing I want to make sure is like whenever the characters of the have some numbers in Python. For example, if you want to see the what is the character value for A is you can see here using the functions chr, and if you give the number like 67, we can get the characters here. The other way is also possible. So I'm going to cover that in the next videos. So now if you observe here the characters and 67 if I give that is a C, but 65 is a, so 66 will be a B. So this is a sequence from the starting from 65, okay, and the small letter will be a different value. So this is all regarding the capital letters. So this is how we can get it. So let's use these functions to generate the output we needed in this format. Okay. So for that, I'm going to loop it in the for loop for I in range of n. This will be starting from 0 till the n. Sorry, till n minus 1. So for that, I'm going to print character of. So let's start with the A itself since it's the first row. So since the A characters A is like A, it will print as A. So that one will be using plus will increase the value based on the next row by 1 by giving it the value of I. And these all things we can summarize using, can just give a formatting like space here, and the whole thing will be repeated by n number of rows. Okay, I think they should do the job. Let's run it and check. Sure, we got that patterns. Let's see for other sizes like 8. So now we can see we have a different sizes for different patterns here. Okay, so this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.